In today's video, I'm working on a 14 by 18 inch canvas, and I wanted to do a Dutch pour with some leftover paints that I had from a funnel pour that I just did in a previous video. I'm using 3 different shades of turquoise. I took my lightest color of turquoise and lightened it even more to use as one of my split colors. And then I also have white and gold. Each of my colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. And these were really pretty colors that I had used with my funnel, and I just wanted to use them up so that they wouldn't go to waste. And Dutch pours are just always something that I really enjoy doing. So I'm just going to use my white paint and my light turquoise as my split colors, and then I will be adding the other colors to blow out on my canvas. And I kind of want to do a little bit of a different design. Instead of running my colors to blow out down the middle of my canvas, I kind of put them off to one side and to leave a little bit more negative space for my white throughout the piece. Once I had my base coats down, I used my other 2 shades of turquoise and the gold, and then poured them right down the divide between my colors. I wanted a lot of that gold and darker turquoise to show up, so I added quite a bit of those colors. I just use my small hair dryer with that nice concentrator on the front to blow out the colors. Overall, this one turned out really nicely. That darker turquoise with the gold against the white and that really light turquoise look really nice. And I kind of liked switching up my design a little bit to leave some more negative space and kind of keep it to one corner and one side of my canvas. I had a few areas where my paint kind of splattered, so I just touched those up with my white paint, and then I just set this one off to dry. And again, the cells looked really good, the colors were really pretty, and I was just really happy with the way that this one turned out. But I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I hope you like this Dutch pour, and if you want to see some other split color Dutch pours, let me know what colors you'd like to see, and I'll definitely try them out. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.